just gonna ignore that. I'm unpacking this U-part wig from BeautyForeverHair. Get her open. Ooh, they gave me a long one, y'all. Got a long wig. Let me see how long this wig is. It's 24 inches. Okay. So we have a straight texture 24-inch U-part wig. So as you can see, it comes like connected. So I'm gonna have to cut those apart. And I do want a middle part today because I actually think I'm gonna keep this wig on. So this unit comes with combs for your secure reasons, and then it has a comb right there in the back. So there's 1, 2, and 3, and then you have the 2 right here on the front that will connect right here, and then you also have the comb in the back that'll connect in the back, and then you got adjustable straps. Since it's a U-part wig, I like to make sure my U-part wigs are like really secure, so I'm going to cross method these right here in the back and see what we have. So I went ahead and crossed them in the back to make it tighter. So to put the wig on, I am going to go ahead and cut these strings out. So there's one. I'm going to cut the other one here. We'll go ahead and get it installed. Mind you, I do have my hair parted out in the shape of a U. So you can see that right there. I'm going to go ahead and take this comb and stick it in. And then I want to make sure I bring the wig all the way around. Just like that. And then you can just slide it back, because as you can see, it's coming a little bit forward more than I would want it to. So I'm going to pull it back some. So it's really pretty good quality hair. Like the density so far, it feels pretty full. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten this hair out first before I tackle my leave out. It did come out of the packaging pretty straight though, which is nice. But I'm going to just go over it just to be sure. There aren't any like crimped ends. So I'm working on my leave out. My hair already has oil in it. I combed it out. Technically, I could do a side part. Okay, so I have the leave out nice and straight. It is literally on flat. This is how long the hair is. It is super duper straight, super duper flat. Of course, if you want, you can make it a little bit thicker, add a little bit of volume. I kind of like it with this little flat look, so I'm digging it because usually I always go for a more bigger hair type vibe, but I like how this looks. I'm trying to make sure my leave out is pretty much blended because the wig is like all straight and long and my leave out is a little bit shorter, but my hair blended in pretty nice. The hair, like I said, it came out of the packaging honestly really straight. Like I like the density of it. No split ends, it didn't shed or tangle on me. Very easy to straighten out as well. Like, it's a go-to wig, especially if you don't want to deal with any lace or anything like that. Get you a good U-part wig, your hair is straight, you can literally put this on in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes, probably shorter if your hair is already straightened. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a link there for you. Thank you to BeautyForeverHair for sending over this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.